Very good morning to you all. Hope you all are good. So, let's start the today's topic. Today we are going to study about pulses, cereals and oil seeds in chapter number 2, plant. Alright students. So, as we talk about these things, the first question which comes in our mind is, from where do we get these things? Do you know from where we get these things? Yes, we get these things from plant. Cereals, pulses and oil seeds are provided to us by plants. So first we will discuss about pulses. Alright students, pulses. Now what are pulses? Do you know what are pulses? Pulses are the edible seeds. Pulses are the edible seeds. Edible seeds. What is the meaning of edible? Edible means which we can eat. So, it is a type of seed which we can eat. The main pulses includes what are the main types of pulses? It is chickpea. Chickpea means that is called in India chane ki dal. Kidney bean. Do you know what is the meaning of kidney bean? Rajma, which we eat in our lunch and dinner. Red gram. Red gram means arhar ki dal. Yes, right, it is arhar ki dal. Black gram. Black gram. Alright students, black gram means urd ki dal. There are many other pulses also other than this. So there are many other pulses, etc. Alright. So pulses are used in our daily diet as a food. Now we can prepare various types of food with the help of pulses. Pulses are used as food, such as dal, sambar, curry and many other things we can prepare with the help of pulses. Actually, I have some of the pulses also to show you. Do you know? This is a red gram. What we call it in Hindi as arhar ki dal. Alright, this is arhar ki dal or red gram. Another one is, this is called chickpea. Chickpea means chane ki dal. Alright, this is chickpea. Can you say this? This is chane ki dal. This is urd ki dal or black gram, which we call it in English. So this is also a type of pulses which we eat. Alright students, there are many other pulses also other than this. So now let's proceed to our topic. They are very healthy. So we must include pulses in our daily diet because they are very healthy and nutritious. They are very healthy and nutritious, and they are very easy to cook also. They are easy to cook. Easy to cook. They are the main source of food which we include in our daily diet. They are the main source. The main source. So we must include pulses in our lunch, dinner, because it keeps us healthy and strong. Do you know pulses are very rich in proteins? Yes, they are very rich. They are very rich in proteins. And they carry very high nutritious value. They carry high nutritious value and carry healthy benefits for us, and carry healthy benefits for us. Alright students, so what are pulses? Pulses are the edible seeds. It is the seed which we can eat. The main pulses include chickpea, kidney beans, gram, red gram, black gram, and other than this there are many pulses available which we can eat. Pulses are used as food like dal, sambar, curry, etc. They are very healthy and nutritious. They are very easy to cook also. They are the main source of food in our daily diet. They are very rich in protein also, so we must eat pulses, keep ourselves healthy. They carry high nutritious value and healthy benefits for us. Alright students, so now you just write down your homework. So now today's homework is you have to paste 5 types of pulses in your rough copy. Alright students, you have to collect 5 type of pulses and paste it in your rough copy. Okay, and this is part 1 of this video. We will continue with the same topic in our next video, in which we will study about cereals and oil seeds. Alright students, till then you have to revise what is pulses and paste these 5 type of pulses in your copies. Alright, thank you so much. See you in the next video.